The mission of Clickfunnels is simple. It's to free all entrepreneurs so they can go back and focus on changing the lives of their customers. And now we want to free you as well.
There's just been so many tools out there. Very few have been aggregated to do everything you need to do to create success.
Clickfunnels came out of nowhere. They took the marketplace by storm, just like Apple did when they first launched the iPhone.
Clickfunnels allows you to sell a product online quicker and faster than anything you've ever seen in your life.
It's just a simple way of making pages that convert. I mean, they're like business-oriented templates that already start beautiful that you can very easily customize.
I can be one guy sitting in a basement somewhere with a dream and a picture in my head, and in like no time at all, I've got this finished product. And it's not just a mock-up, dude, it's a finished product.
It's just drag and drop instead of coding.
I think that most people, when they hear technology, they get scared. You don't have to be scared anymore.
It's taking the sales process from in-person and just transferring the exact thing online.
Rather than taking a shotgun and blasting an entire market, you take this targeted approach and find the people who really are coming towards you already and help them along.
You can lead them through the steps of, okay, here's who we are, here's what we do, would you like to get some more information? Yes, okay, great.
So I had someone ask me that the other day. They said, what business can you use it with? And I said, everything.
We help gyms scale their businesses.
We're in the weight loss industry.
I have goats.
Teaching people how to do e-commerce.
We have a coaching company.
I'm an Instagram marketer.
An organic skincare company.
We teach entrepreneurs how to do product launches.
I help people write and publish books. An advertising agency.
And I'm the executive director of a nonprofit.
I'm a content creator. I'm a blogger.
Before Clickfunnels, I probably would have gone bankrupt in my business.
It's actually a funnel that got me out of homelessness. I actually still use today.
No one knew me, and now I have a global audience.
Literally been the impetus between my business not even being in existence to a multi-six-figure level.
1 year from the seat to the stage.
From zero to $1 million education business in 5 months.
Having a business that's made massive impact to over 100,000 customers and generated over $10 million, just I could have never saw it coming.
The last thing in the world Clickfunnels is a software.
It really is a culture, it's a way of life. Like you get an environment, you get a team,
They truly want to see you have success, and whatever your dreams are, they want to help you get there.
You get these people that are worth millions of dollars and they're just sharing with you.
And I have never in my life seen an owner of a business care more about the success of the people who give him money than he cares about his own money.
And everybody's just one funnel away from having the life they've always wanted.
It's given me the key to freaking having a fulfilled and amazing life.
The mission of Clickfunnels is simple. It's to free all entrepreneurs so they can go back and focus on changing the lives of their customers. And now we want to free you as well. Take the short quiz right here and let us know which type of business you're in. We can tell you which funnels work best for your specific business.